What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today I am out here in lovely Kansas City, and today we are going to do something that we haven't done in a while. We're going to look at some of these. I know the Road Glider Rider, New York, Indian City, and a bunch of other people that are huge bike fans are probably ecstatic about this. So we're going to go ahead and jump directly into it and check out some of these bikes. I'm gonna need that later, but I'm gonna leave that over there in the shade. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Why do I feel like that's gonna fall and break? Let me put this, let me put this right here. All right. So they got some decent bikes out here today. A couple of nice looking Harleys. Boy, let me wide angle this joint out real quick. Let's look and see if any of these have any juice. More than likely, they don't, but this one does. She's got power. There's the ignition. She is in neutral according to this. What do you guys want to think? Do you think she'll fire up? Let's find out. That would be a negative, right? Battery's too dead. 20,000 miles on the clock. Sad. She is off. Sad that it wouldn't start. But she's too dead. What you gonna do? That one looks like shout out to my dude Sip TV, man. That look like Sip's car right there. Sip, you might need to bid on that one for a bike, bro. Huh? All right, we'll keep it moving and see if I see anything else. Woof, Jesus, that's worth looking at. I mean, this Harley's nice, but that whole front, boy, somebody took a very serious hit to the front, for sure. Definitely did. Oh, here we got one. We got a green. I like this green. I like this green a lot. It's a 1993, huh? Oh, this one's got a police sticker on it. We're not going to touch this one then. We're going to look at the bikes on the other side. I think the bikes on the other side probably are in a better shape or condition. All right, let's take a look over here and see what we got, shall we? Let's walk around here. We'll start on the other side and see what kind of bikes and whatnot are available today. Ooh, look at this Harley with the flames on it. Look at this Harley with the flames on it. This is different. This is real different. Oh, no keys. Come on. Shit. That's clean, though. Clean bike. Sucks there ain't no keys, though. You know, I'm not a fan of no keys. Here's something a little different. Shout out to the Crotch Rocket boys. This is more my speed right here. This is my type of shit. And she's off, which means that she got power. Hold on 1 second. I gotta sit y'all down so I can try to turn her on. Nah, she was dead as a doornail. We'll put her back to the off position. That happens a lot out here, especially on the bikes. People will come out and view these bikes, and then they will leave them on, almost on purpose, I think, to try to keep other people from, you know, a lot of people won't bid on a bike or a car if they don't hear it run, you know what I'm saying? So that's their way of trying to knock out the competition, so to speak. Let's see if she, no power. Man, a lot of these bikes, and this is why a lot of the time, to be honest with you, a lot of the times why I really don't look at the bikes, because look, left to the on position. Like, they do this shit on purpose, man. Oh, that sucks, man. All right. This might be a short bike video because unfortunately, I mean, the bikes look nice. You guys can see some of the lot numbers and stuff in the event that you guys would like to bid on these. But if you're like me, you want to hear them run. You don't want to just bid on something that you ain't heard run. That's just me. I'm picky like that. Ooh, they stole that joint. They put a screwdriver in that joint. Boom. Alrighty. Well, let's walk back up here to the front and see if we can keep walking and see if we see something that runs. See if we can find something that runs. Anyway, there's another Gixxer. Ruthless Riders, huh? All right. No keys. Ugh. That trike has seen better days. Broken forks. Is she dead though? No, she runs. All right. Is she in neutral? Oh wow. All right, I had to turn y'all off for a second. She's not in neutral, so we got to go up like half a pull. All right, let's come up half a pull. There she is. Now she's in neutral. All right, let's see if she'll give us a little bit of power, shall we? She's in neutral. I got the clutch held. It runs. 100. Mute that again. I'm gonna walk away from the bike a little bit, because even though it says neutral, sometimes you can drop that clutch and they'll start to move, believe it or not. All right, clutch is out. She runs fairly decently too. Lights all work. You definitely have to replace probably everything from that part of the frame forward and hope that there wasn't other damage outside of them forks, but really no way to tell without disassembling the bad boy. Well, she runs. Sounds good too, I ain't gonna lie. Not too loud, not too quiet. Yeah. Sounds pretty damn good if you ask me. Huh. Well, let me know what you guys think about this one here in the comments. This one is not bad at all. Worst case scenario, it's a good parts bike. Cut her off, leave her in neutral. Yeah, man. Worst case, it's a really good parts bike. All right, we're gonna keep it moving, see if we see anything else that's got keys that could possibly run out here. Somebody left this one on accessories. She's got power. This one might have just been sat down. She in neutral? She is in neutral. Run. She's trying to start. Let me give her a little fuel. She really wants to start. I wonder if she's out of gas. No, she got a full tank. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to put you guys down for a second. I want y'all to hear it start, but it's not gonna be the best angle, all right? You guys are basically looking at the ground. Nope. She's dead, Jim. We'll see if the battery will come back a little bit, but she doesn't want to start. The loss type is all over, it says. Yeah, it's got damage all over it, but I'm surprised that she didn't start. I mean, you can tell it's getting some kind of compression. It was, you know, catching boom, 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 but it just wouldn't fully fire up. That's how it is sometimes. Well, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Last but not least, what is that? What is a Royal Enfield? I've never heard of it. Y'all can just tell me what you got, what y'all know that is in the comments below. I've never ever heard of that bike, ever. So if anybody knows what that is, let me know in the comments. All right, which gets us to this one, which I think is probably going to be what, the star of the show. Fender damage. I'm sure the forks probably got a little bit of a tweak. But else, and the brakes, the front brakes, it says right here, no front brakes. No front brakes. But she should have power and should run. Now, I don't see. Oh, wow. There she goes. She's in neutral according to the dash. We're gonna put her in the run position. Fuel pump kicked on. 23,000 miles. Let's see if she starts. Fired right up. She fired right up. Nice and clean. She fired right up. Ooh, she's got nice little back pressure. It's got a nice exhaust system on it for sure. It's clean, man. Woo, y'all saw that, right? Not today. Not today, it's not. Woo. Well, let me know what you think about this one, guys, in the comment section down below, but not bad. Lights look good. Looks like that light took a little bit of damage, right? The fender. And you know what? You probably could look, the forks might not even be bent, but the front brakes don't work. Oh, wait a minute. Got a little bit of a ding there. Supposedly, oh yeah, there's nothing. Oh, wait a minute. I just had to build pressure. Maybe she's leaking. Once I pumped it like once or twice, she got brakes. Now it's nice and stiff. You see, there wasn't nothing there. So there could be a leak in the line. She's got front brakes again. There could have been a leak in the line. Could have been a leak in the line. Interesting. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below. It's fairly clean, man. You know, it's got a little scuff on the bags back here. Nothing major. But let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. I think it's pretty solid. I think this is definitely a bike that you could rebuild and you could save a ton of money on it. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for at least this bonus video. And there's just a quick video for you guys on some motorcycles that are out here and available. You guys asked me to do more bikes, and I would do more bikes if we had more bikes that were running and accessible. Now there is a lot more here in Kansas City than there is in other places, so you know, we'll see how it goes. I got a couple videos coming for you guys from Lincoln, Nebraska, and a couple other Coparts here coming very soon. But anyways, let me know what you guys think about today's video in the comment section down below, and I will catch you guys on the next one.